Hi class, in this video I'm going to show you how to do number 1 in your chapter 11 app player homework. So we're looking for inflation using a simple price index. So consider a fictional price index, the college student price index, based on typical college students' annual purchase. Suppose the following table shows information on the market basket for the CSPI and the prices for each of the goods in 2010, 11, and 12. The cost of each item in the basket and total cost of the basket show for 2010. And let's complete this table over here. So we have all the good over here. So your notebook, your calculator, large coffees, energy drink, textbooks, total cost, and price index. And then first one is ask you to find the total cost of each item in 2010. This is not a this step is actually a pretty easy process. So just take your price for each good. So for notebook, it's going to be $7 in 2011, and then times quantity. So 7 times 10, that's going to be 70. And then your calculator is 110, so 110, and then quantity is 1, so it's 110 times 1, just 110. And then next, the price is 1, quantity is 150, so this is also 150, so 1 times 150. And the next quantity of the price is 3, quantity is 50, so 3 times 50, this 150 again. Textbook is 120 times 10, that's going to be 1200. Now, next, your total cost. So let's use a spreadsheet. Alright, so we have 70, 110, 150, 150, 1200. And then let's find the total. Total is 1680. Now for the price index, you're going to use your current basket total cost divided by your base year basket total cost. Now for base year in this calculation, it's going to be 2010. So I'm going to use our current year, which is 2011, the 1680, divided by the base year 2010, which is going to be 1400. So 1680 divided by 1400 times 100. So it's going to be not 1.2 but 120. And let's repeat the same process. So 11 times 10, that's 110. Next one's going to be 140 times 1. And then 1 times 150. 4 times 50, so 200. 150 times 10, so 1500. And let's find the total cost. So 110. 140, 150, 200, 1500. So the total cost is going to be all together over here at 2100. And then for the price index, same deal. Going to use our current year, which is 2012 total cost, divided by your base year total cost for 1400. So 2100 divided by 1400, and don't forget to times 100. Okay. So it's going to be 150. That's your price index. So 150. Alright, and the next section. Between 2010 and 2011, the CSPI increased by what percentage? So looking for the percentage change. Now for percentage change, we're going to use our new number minus old number divided by old number. So we're going to use a price index of 2011 minus the price index of 2010, and then divided by the price index of 2010. So it's always new minus old divided by old. So the price index of 2011 is 120 minus 2010, which was 100, and then divided by 2010, which was 100. My percentage, so 0.2, which is going to be 20%. Now for next range between 2011 and 2012, So again, new minus old divided by old. So 2012 we had 150. 2011 was 120. And then divided by 2011 of 120. So 25%. Alright. Oh, it shouldn't be there. So last section, which of following, if true, will illustrate why price index such as price CSPI might overstate inflation in the cost of going to college? Check all that applied. So there are going to be basically three reasons why a CPI might be overstating inflation. So the three reasons are introduction of new good, change of quality, and also change of consumer behavior. So every time when these three factors change, you're going to overstate your inflation. Now let's look at the first one. The first one says a new type of personal transporter which made it easier to get around places like university campus become available to purchase. So this is the introduction of new good. So this will be overstating our inflation. Now second, professor require each student to buy 10 textbooks regardless of what the price is. This one wouldn't overstate inflation. This will be actually a pretty accurate state of inflation. So this we're gonna leave this one off. And as the price of energy drink increased relative to the price of coffee between 2010 and 2012, students decreased the consumption of energy drinks and increased the consumption of coffee. So this is a change of consumer behavior. So when consumer behavior change, this will also overstate our inflation. And last one, the quality of textbook increased dramatically from 2010 to 2012, when with textbook company bundling new online study aids with their books. So this is a change of quality. So when this happens, we'll also overstate inflation. So check that one too. All right, so we're gonna check this three, and then let's grade it now. See if we get everything right. Okay, we did. So 3 out of 3. So this is how you do number 1 in chapter 11. Take a look at it. If you have any question, let me know, and then I'll be more than happy to answer your questions over the internet. Okay. All right, guys. Good luck.